Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Send WhatsApp Message to Real Estate Business Facebook Lead. So I'm running a real estate business, and to promote my business I'm using Facebook lead ads. And I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ads account, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this connection without knowing any coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So in Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. For trigger, we are going to use Facebook lead ads, and for action, we are using WhatsApp. So if you also want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp messages to all our Facebook leads for our real estate business. So I'm running a real estate business named Home Hub Real Estate, and to promote my business I'm using Facebook lead ads. And I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ads, to nurture that lead, automatic WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this, we are going to create a connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. To create this connection, I have already opened the landing page of Pabbly, and if you want to open, you can simply search pabbly.com/connect in your browser. It is so easy, and as soon as you'll open the landing page of Pabbly, you will get two options. One is sign up for free and the another one is sign in. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting two applications, that is Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on access now right over here. And now it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation we are going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp automation, and I want to name my workflow as send WhatsApp message to real estate's business Facebook leads. And now we are going to click on create. And yes, you can see that we have opened the most important window of our automation, that is our workflow window. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this, you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. So now we are going to select the trigger application as Facebook lead ads. So I'll search for Facebook lead ads and select it. And now for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted, instantly Pabbly should capture the response and trigger the workflow. And now we are going to click on connect. And as you can see that it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. You have to select your account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So for page, I'm going to select Home Hub Real Estate. So I'll search for Home Hub Real Estate right over here. I'll select it. And now for the lead gen forms, I'm going to select new lead gen form because I want only the leads of this particular form should be captured by Pabbly and sent an automated WhatsApp message. So if you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms or any another desired form. After that, we are going to click on save and send test request. And now it is saying waiting for a webhook response. So we are going to read the notes, and it is saying now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission/record. So we have to do a test submission. So to do this, we are going to open a new tab and search for Meta for developers. And this is the landing page of Meta for developers. Over here, we are going to go on more and then tools. And then we are going to select lead ads RTO debug tool, and as you can see that it is opening my lead ads testing tool. And now I'm going to select the page and the form. So for page we are going to select Home Hub Real Estate, and for form we are selecting new lead gen forms. And now I'm going to click on preview form. And now it is asking me for some details. So I'm going to fill in the first name as demo, the last name as user, the email as demo@pabblytudes.com, and a dummy phone number, which is this, and the city as Mumbai. After filling all these details, I'm going to click on next and then submit. And now you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent our lead to our workflow. So we are going to open our workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the response or not. And yes, you can see the first name, the last name, the email, and the dummy phone number with the city has been captured by Pabbly too. This means that our trigger step is successful. So now we are moving on to our action step. For our action application, we are going to select WhatsApp Cloud API because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted in my Facebook lead ads, automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. So we are going to select WhatsApp Cloud API right over here. And for the action event, we are going to select send template message. And then we are going to click on connect. And again, it will ask you to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already created an API setup, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me and click on add a new connection. And then it will ask you the token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. And now to get all these, you have to create an API setup. So as you can see that I've already created my API setup, and if you want to learn how to create your own, you can check out our YouTube channel. And now we are going to copy the temporary access token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID from here and paste it in our workflow. But as you can see that this is a temporary access token and this will expire in 23 hours. So if you wish to generate a permanent access token, you can visit us at forum. So I'll copy all these details and paste it in my workflow. So after pasting all these details, I'm going to click on save. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. Over here, you can see connected. And now it is asking me the template name. For this, we are again going to open Meta for developers. And over here, you can see to create your own message template, click here. So we are going to open the hyperlink. And this is opening my WhatsApp manager. And over here, you can see all the templates that I have created. So if you wish to create a new template, you can click on create template right over here and create your own. But I'm going to use one from this only, which is Facebook leads message. So I'll go back to my workflow and search for Facebook leads message right over here, select it. And as you can see that as soon as I changed the template name, Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. So we don't have to change this. We'll directly move on to the recipient mobile number. So we are going to map the recipient mobile number. Mapping is a method by Pabbly. So mapping means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. So we are going to open the response and over here you can see the phone number. So we are going to map this. I mapped this because I wanted this to become dynamic and to change with every new lead received. And now for the body field 1, example dummy user, I'm again going to show you my template. So I'll open WhatsApp manager and over here you can see my template. And you can notice that here is 1 in curly brackets. This means that this 1 is a variable right over here and this will change as soon as we are going to map the body field 1. So I wish that this 1 should be replaced with the name of my lead. So I'm going to map the name of my lead in body field 1. So I'll open the response and map the first name. After mapping all these details will change with every new lead received. And now before clicking on save and send test request, I'll just replace the dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the response and the message received. After replacing, we are going to click on save and send test request. And yes, you can see that we have received a positive response which says message status accepted. This means that we have received a WhatsApp message. So I'll open my WhatsApp and check that if we have received the message or not. And yes, you can see that we have received a message with hello demo user, that was the name that we mapped in our variable. And the rest of the message is same. This means that our workflow is successful. But I'll just try the workflow once again and this time I'm going to give you a real-time example. So I'll open my lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page. Otherwise, you'll not be able to preview the form or create a new lead. And now again we are going to select the page and the form. So for page we are again going to select Home Hub Real Estate. And for the form, new lead gen form. And again, we are going to click on preview form. And again, we are going to enter the dummy details as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytunes.com, phone number as this, and the city as Bhopal. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on next and then submit. And yes, you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent our lead to workflow, and further Pabbly sent an WhatsApp message to my lead. So I'm directly going to my WhatsApp and checking that if I've received the WhatsApp message or not. This time we are not going back to our workflow and clicking on save and send test request. We'll open our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see hello test user. This is the new name that we entered and the same WhatsApp message. This means that our workflow is successful. So I'll just summarize the workflow for you once. For a trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads. For a trigger event, we selected new lead instant. We connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow, and then we selected the page and the lead gen form. After that, we clicked on save and send test request. Pabbly said waiting for a webhook response. So we generated a webhook response for Pabbly to capture. And then we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected WhatsApp Cloud API. For our action event, we selected send template message. We connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our workflow, and then we selected the template name. Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. We mapped the details of the recipient mobile number and body field 1, that was the variable. And again, we clicked on save and send test request. And over here, you can see the 2 messages we received during the video. So if you have any queries related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.